Before the opening bell, U.S. stocks, they're trying their best to rebound after they closed in the red on Friday as U.S. President Joe Biden's administration is taking shape. Investors have turned their focus back to uncertainties related to COVID-19 and the proposed $1.9 trillion economic stimulus package. Now, U.S. indices closed mixed on Friday with the Nasdaq closing up, while the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, they both managed to close on the downside. The combination of tech, hardware, and equipment, as well as pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and life sciences, as well as food and staples retailing, those sectors, they were all the best performers on today. This while the combination of semiconductors as well as semiconductor equipment, as well as the insurance and healthcare equipment sectors, they happen to be the worst performers on the day. When combined, this as 63% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged on Friday. Now, taking a look at after-hours action. First in the headlines, we have shares of Merck losing ground before hours as the company stops development of COVID-19 vaccine candidate. And then Pfizer and BioNTech, its COVID-19 vaccine was authorized by Hong Kong for emergency use. And then there's Apple in the headlines. Its price target was raised to $160 from $145 over at Evercore ISI. While taking a look at today's market action, there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. And then after the opening bell, 10:30 in the morning, we have the release of the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. Intraday, it's moving towards 38.75. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, intraday, that happens to see further advance, and that's what's in focus. The relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 13,370 are favored, with targets at 13,540 and 13,640 in extension. Moving on, the Dow Jones intraday sees its intraday support around 30,791.